My name is Facundo. I am from Argentina, from Buenos Aires. I started sailing when I was 8 years old. So my main goal usually is to teach the young sailors and the young athletes these 3 bullet points to sail with intensity, which are the awareness, the connection and the confidence to become better sailors. For a young athlete that wants to become a professional sailor or a professional athlete, I think the most important thing they need to understand is that you don't only become an athlete when you are sailing. You become a professional sailor or a professional athlete as a way of living. So you are not just doing your sport at the moment you are doing your sport. You live for doing the sport. So since you wake up until you go to sleep, you have to focus your life in order to be better at your sailing skills. And in order to do this, there are many different things you need to adapt in your life for your body and your mind to be prepared for racing, for doing athletics, for any kind of sport you want to practice. And I think the most important thing is to surround yourself with a good team, with a good coach, with a good physical trainer, and people that are professional and that know what kind of job they need to do in order to help you become the best possible version of yourself. I think honestly it doesn't get any better than this. I mean, the place for the 10 days we've been training, we've had a very different kind of winds. The weather was perfect. We've had sunny and hot weather, which allows us to be all the day in the water, and the wind conditions are perfect. The facilities are great. We have a nice lounge here to make the debriefings. We have a TV for checking the videos, and yeah, I mean, we have everything we need to make a proper training camp.